पूज्य माँ भगवती, पूज्य श्री अरविंद, परम पूज्य प्रातस्मरणीय रंग अवधूत बापजी, अपना सर्वेना खूब प्रीतिपात्र मोस्ट रेवरेंड स्पिरिचुअल guide, guru and divine warrior Pujya Bapuji, and you all members of this Bapji Parivar assembled here belonging to East and West. You have been since last so many years offering your prayers to Rangavdut Babji through very strong, powerful and committed media of Bapuji. The channel you people were accorded by Babji is equally competent. Pujya Bapuji very appropriately told you people that Rangavdut Babji did not appoint anybody on this pedestal, spiritual pedestal of Nareshwar. However, the consciousness of Rangavdut Babji, the divinity of Rangavdut Babji, the grandeur and magnanimity of Rangavdut Babji and psychic ascent of Rangavdut Babji from Pandurang Vadame to Lord Krishna has been rightly and relevantly channelized through Bapuji, and with the result the orbit here in America is well set. We can have varieties of experiences here, and people especially belonging to this country, belonging to Western culture, are rightly drawn to the real essence of divinity, over and above the barriers of religion, caste, creed, communities, cult, beliefs, blind beliefs, half beliefs, thoughtlessness, imitation, ego. But it is because of Bapuji you people have been rightly drawn to Rangavdut Babji and his divine consciousness. The cause being so championed by Bapuji lifelong is offered to you people here in America. What Bapuji acquired as blessing, vardhan, grace directly from Supreme, sitting at his lotus feet, to be in arena of the divine is a blessed opportune moment which our psychic or soul has been aspiring since so many births together. It's not the story of only one birth. Bapuji is related to Rangavdut Babji since so many births. We people are also related to Bapuji and Rangavdut Babji since so many births. Simple question is the question of the veil that is imposed upon it, and we cannot unfold it unless and until we unfold the coil or the veil. We cannot have the clear-cut way, clear-cut track and clear-cut vision of a divine interaction with us. Nothing takes place in our life without the interaction of the divine and without the direct grace of the divine to be accorded to us. This is the real dharma of Guru, This is the real accountability of Guru, that he draws all of us, though we are ignorant, we are timid people, we are fearful people, we are the people with short-sightedness and some sort of illogical idiocy. We are supposed to be the victims of so many fabrications as such. That is what Bapuji indicated also in his letter. Guru Tano Rafdo Phatyo. That is what Bapuji also so many years back alerted we people. Time has really come, but you are fortunate people that you have been rightly drawn to the divine and rightly drawn to the divine through right channel. And what you are gaining, what you are receiving, what you are experiencing, that will be the heritage which you are going to give to these young kids. They have been rightly remolded by Bapuji right from the beginning. And Pondicherry, Mother and Sri Aurobindo predicted that time is fast coming where East and West are going to be welded. Eastern spirituality and Western prosperity. Eastern spirituality and Western psychology. Eastern spirituality and Western scholarship. Eastern spirituality and Western science. Eastern insight and Western largeness, they are going to be merged and going to be intermingled in such a way that the entire human race will take a decisive step in this 21st century. And these people are being rightly remolded and rightly remolded in time. Challenge is there, and big challenge that is constantly knocking at our gate. Are we real human beings? Are we real devotees? Are we pure, perfect, loving human beings? Or are we still animals? If we are committed to Bhog, Vilas, Anand, Sukh, Rag, Dvesh, dualities, Epicurean ideology, then we are going to lose this fortune kept well reserved for us. Unless we deserve ourselves, we cannot get the divine blessing. Time is fast coming. Evolutionary stage is fast emerging. Sri Aurobindo says new dawn is just emerging. And Mother of Pondicherry very categorically has written, a new light shall break upon the earth. A new world shall be born. And the things so far announced will be fulfilled. Lord Krishna endorsed this statement of the mother sitting on her lap, putting her palm in the palm of mother, addressing mother as divine mother. Lord Krishna as Bal Mukund sat on the lap of the mother and placed her hand on the palm of the mother and endorsed this statement, Mother, I would like to change this message. Mother says, alright, you may change. And Lord Krishna changed that message. A new light shall break upon the earth, a new world shall be born, and the things so far announced will be fulfilled. That is the message written by Mother originally. And Lord Krishna as Bal Mukund changed the tense, converted future tense into present tense. New light breaks upon the earth, new world is born, and the things so far announced are fulfilled. So this is new world is being born. Western people are attracted to Bapuji, attracted to Rangavdut Babji, attracted to this scripture and attracted to this philosophy. But this philosophy is not a cult, is not merely a sampradaya, is human parampara, human tradition. We have to commit ourselves first of all, and we must determine strongly and ardently that we must get rid of our animality, physicality, vitality, and to be moving towards